Thanks for watching this tutorial about using income transfers in PracticeWeb. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to set recommended payment preferences, understand the Income Transfer Manager, use income transfers between patients, and use income transfers between providers. Set recommended payment preferences. Patient payment splits can be set up different ways based on your practice flow. We'll go over two common ways. The first is you can enforce valid pay splits with the auto split feature. This is recommended for an office that wants to know what procedures your patient payments are paying on and which provider it should be associated with. Using the auto split feature, the software auto proposes payment splits based on the most outstanding charges on procedures and the corresponding attached treating provider. All you need to do is confirm and use the auto proposed payment splits. Using auto splits is easy. We'll use this with the Prevident procedure we have here for $20. I'm going to click on the payment button on the upper left corner, apply a $20 cash value, and as you see towards the bottom, we already have an automated split proposed by the software, and we can simply click OK. As you see, it does associate that $20 to the balance for $20 for Prevident. To set this up, you'll go under Setup, then Account. So you can launch the Account Module Preferences window. On the upper left, under Payments, locate Enforce Valid Pay Splits and select the Auto Split option. Under the Adjustment section below that, you can select Don't Enforce if you don't normally associate payments with adjustments, or if you do, choose the Link Only option. When using the auto split feature, all patient payments will be attached to a procedure. Also, all payment splits are assigned to the treating provider on the procedure it's paying on. Other options, if you choose to not go with the auto split proposals, are to delete all the proposed splits and leave the payment unallocated, or you can manually create a split. Second, you can choose to don't enforce payment splits, which is the old behavior on version 17 and prior. This is recommended for smaller single provider practices that do not track production or income, offices that don't pay providers, even their hygienists, by income, are okay with not having procedure payment details show up in their production income reports. And lastly, for offices who want to manually create every payment split. To set this up, we'll go again under Setup, then Account. And in the Account Modules Preferences window on the upper left, we'll use the drop-down for Enforce Valid Pay Splits and select the Don't Enforce option. You can leave the setting with Don't Enforce under the Adjustment section below that. You should expect that all patient payments will be marked as unallocated by default, and all payments are assigned to the default practice provider. On later versions of PracticeWeb, the Income Transfer Manager has replaced the Payment Splits Manager. Use this manager if you want to transfer a credit balance from a patient to other patients with outstanding charges. Let's witness how to use income transfers in PracticeWeb between patients and providers. payments need to be split to a provider different from the treating provider on the procedure, you can enable the Show Provider Income Transfer window after entering insurance payment. This will allow you to use the patient payment window to transfer income to a selected provider that is not on the claim. Let's witness this in action. This completes our overview on using income transfers in PracticeWeb. If you have any questions about something that was not covered in this tutorial, please call support at 800-845-9379 option 2 or email us at support@practice-web.com.